We are breaking the stereotype. A software engineer creates the future, and it starts with a clean line of code.
If I say the word software engineer, what is the first image that comes to your mind? Someone wearing a hoodie, sitting in a dark room, coding alone with endless coffee, right? For years, movies and memes have created this image of a software engineer. But the reality is completely different. A software engineer is not just someone who writes code. A software engineer is a problem solver, someone who takes the real-world challenges and turns them into digital solutions that millions of people use every day. Think about the apps and platforms around you. When people needed a faster way to book rides, engineers built ride-sharing platforms like Rapido. Engineers created food delivery applications like Swiggy. When businesses needed better ways to manage customers, payments, and operations, engineers built powerful software systems. Almost every digital experience we use today exists because of software engineers turned ideas into reality. So today we are going to answer some of the most common questions people have about software engineers. And make sure you stay till the very end because there's something really valuable waiting for you out there that can actually help you take your first step towards becoming a software engineer. What does a software engineer really do? So let's understand what software engineering is really about and what do software engineers really do. Not the stereotype, but the real picture. At its core, software engineering involves four major responsibilities: designing, coding, testing, and improving software. First, designing systems before writing code. Software engineers think about how a product should work. For example, when building an online shopping app, they don't just think about creating a page where users buy a product. They think about bigger questions. How will the application handle millions of users? How will payments remain secure? How will customer data be protected? How can the system stay fast and reliable? This ability to think, plan, and design solutions is what separates software engineers from just being the programmers. Second, writing clean and efficient code. Coding is an important skill, but software engineering is not only about writing lines of code. Great engineers create software that is clean, efficient, secure, and easy for teams to maintain. Most large applications are not built by one person. They are created by teams of engineers working together and building the solutions. Third, testing software before software reaches users. Engineers need to make sure it works correctly. What happens if a user enters incorrect information? What if thousands of people access the application at the same time? What if a feature suddenly stops working? Testing helps identify and fix problems before they affect the real users. Now the fourth point, improving and maintaining product. A software engineer's job does not end after launching a product. Engineers continuously monitor performance, fix bugs, add few features, and improve the user experience. So the real role of a software engineer is not just sitting in front of the computer and typing code. It is about solving problems, making decisions, building products, and constantly improving them. Now answering the next question. Who should consider software engineering as a career? So this field is perfect for people who enjoy solving problems and thinking logically. If you like breaking complex challenges into smaller steps and finding solutions, software engineering can be a great choice for you. Curiosity is another important quality. Technology changes every day. New programming languages, cloud platforms, frameworks, and AI tools are transforming the way softwares are built. The best engineers are not those who know everything. They are the ones who are ready to keep learning. Another important part of software engineering is a teamwork. Many people imagine engineers working alone all the time. But in reality, software development is highly collaborative. Engineers work with designers, product managers, testers, and business teams to create solutions that solve real problems. Now coming to the next question, why software engineering is growing so fast? So the answer for this question is very simple. Almost every industry depends on technology today. Banks need digital payment systems, healthcare organizations need software to manage patients, businesses need websites, mobile applications, cloud platforms, and automation tools. Software is no longer limited to technology. Every industry is becoming technology-driven, creating a huge demand for skilled software engineers. Now, the next question, do you need a computer science degree to become a software engineer? So yes, this is one of the biggest questions people usually ask, and the answer is no. Many successful software engineers come from different backgrounds. Some are self-taught, some transition from other careers, many learn through online courses, practical projects, and hands-on experience. What matters most is your ability to solve problems, build projects, and demonstrate your skills. Start your software engineering journey, and now let's unlock what I promised at the beginning. If you have been jumping between different videos, tutorials, and resources but still feel confused about where to start your software engineering journey, what skills to learn, and which technologies to focus on, we have created a complete software engineering roadmap just for you. From programming fundamentals to advanced technologies, essential skills, and practical projects, everything you need to move from a beginner to a job-ready software engineer is covered there. The complete software engineering roadmap is right waiting for you. Click the link given in the description box below and start your journey today with Simplilearn. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such career roadmaps, skill guides, and technology insights. See you in the next one.